Okay guys, this is your buddy Alex with DCCTRAIN, and a very good customer of DCCTRAIN is Mr. Kevin. Hello sir.
Hi, I'm Kevin.
Ching ching.
I want to cling.
Cling cling, thank you sir. And this is Rob.
Hello.
So what's going on guys here?
Well, welcome to my layout. I'm running modern era. When I started building the layout, which was about a year ago, I had a couple of minimums that I wanted to make sure that I accomplished. For the two loops, I've got a 28 and a 32-inch radius. The other end of the loop is the same way. I wanted to be able to run big trains. I wanted to be able to run long cars, hence needing those big radiuses, or radii. I've got a locomotive servicing area down here, so down the center will be locomotive servicing buildings. On either side are two tracks that will hold about 8 foot worth of cars. At the end of this yard is a Y that I can turn locomotives to go in the opposite direction.
Okay.
I wanted to be able to run passenger service, so hence Amtrak. Essentially the area I'm modeling is Western New York, so this would be the Lakeshore Limited that you'd see running by. Obviously it would run by quicker if we were going to do prototypical, but for purposes here it's going pretty good now. And we'll have two stops. It's passing an Amtrak station now to its port side, and then on the upper level will be probably the town of Buffalo. I'm kind of torn on what city to make that, Erie or Buffalo. It probably will be Buffalo. Into intermodal, so there's an intermodal yard. I'm into auto racks, those are new. I've got a flood loader for coal, so I can run long coal trains.
Let's focusing on that load, sir.
Okay, yeah, it's a coal flood loader. Built, that one I just recently built. And I added lighting to it, so I've got the inside lit, I've got the outside upper area lit, then I've got LEDs running the entire length of the conveyor belt, and another light down at the lower end where it's going down into the ground.
You should dim the lights later. Dim the later.
Oh yeah, we'll do it, absolutely.
So you can see everything.
What's going on here, please?
Over here, eventually, I will have a small town area. That corner will have brand new mall-type features, and they're just going to be a couple of inches off the wall. They won't be full-size buildings. At one of these buildings, between buildings, will be an intersection, and I will have the backdrop painted to look as if it's going off into the distance.
Okay, are you going to use just this layer of the buildings, meaning not going to just put a couple of facade of the building, you know, the front of the building, so they
will use the whole buildings, because I already have those from a prior layout, and then the rest will be painted on the wall.
I see. Okay.
Come around, this is a closed loop that you see, and there will be a Union Station up there, a machine shop. You can see I set out the boxes of the different models I still have to build. There will be a big downtown scene area here, so very tall skyscraper buildings. On the left of this loop, you'll see right now it says Bud's Trucking Company, but it's going to end up being a refrigerated area that will have reefers parked in there to move fresh goods.
Okay. What about those tunnels? What's going on? And yes, you start talking. Oh, first I want to ask you about accessing that area.
Oh, well, if I move this box here, you can see I've got a big hole in the middle there, which I intend to hide with tall buildings.
Okay.
But that gives me access should anything derail or have a problem in the backside. I can just pop up through that hole and reach it without any major problem. The lower layout, the double main, is a folded dog bone design, I believe is what they call it. And I like doing op sessions where I move a lot of cars around, but I also like to just run trains. So by having a double loop, I can let trains run continuously while I'm working a yard, working the coal mines, things like that. And it's not a problem. I still get my train movement and my sound.
Cool. Okay, Mr. Rob, what do you think? You operated for a little bit before I came.
Oh, I mean, it runs great. It's pretty sound. I was doing some switching stuff while everybody was coming through here and didn't have any issues with it, so it's actually a lot of fun to run.
Cool, thank you very much. Kevin, thank you very much. I have few still questions.
Yep. Yeah, you'll notice now that the intermodal train is going into a double tunnel portal, and it now runs underneath this upper layer and runs for about as long as it does where you can see it. And I intentionally did that because the train is out of your view long enough that you kind of forget that it went in, so that when it comes out the other side, it almost feels like it's a brand new train.
So where's it coming?
It will be coming out of this lower double portal down here.
Okay. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, hello, we're still playing with trains.
Oh yeah! Operational.
Yeah, this is ops at its
running
finest.
session. I hope it will be perfect timing. Yes, perfect timing. Excellent. Right there. CN.
Yeah.
CSX. Way to go. Cool.
What you're looking at now is, because I have so much hidden running track, I put wireless cameras in there, and it's got 4 different cameras that are showing hidden track areas so that I can monitor where trains are running in the hidden area. Camera number 4 shows anything that's eastbound going into the portal. Camera 3 it will then run into, then camera 2, and then camera 1. Camera 1 is at the west end portal, where you saw the trains pass each other earlier.
Oh yeah, perfect meet. CSX, CN. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Nighttime. Kevin is working on dimming of the entire lighting here in the room, but see how it looks and nice and neat. All that areas with the building lights. Very cool. Yeah, very, very nice. With more buildings and all new lights installed. So what's up, my man? How you like it?
I like it.
Like it. Yeah, I like it too. It's very nice.
We like playing with trains.
Yes.
Trains are good.
It's
Trains are
exactly. That's perfect hobby. It's cool.
Cool, cool, cool.
Cool, cool, cool. Okay, I think we see very good layout, guys, and we'll make another video later how's Kevin make a progress on it, but I'm very happy to see it. Okay, USA.